EFF, which is the Economic Freedom Fighters. I was there. I was part of the EFF, I think, from 2013, when I was, how many years? 2007, so 2013, I was part of the EFF from 2013 until 2023. Yeah, then 2024, then Yamalala into politics. But I'm back now. I'm back, but not to EFF. I'm not in political party. Origins founded in 2013 by Julius Malema, expelled ANC Youth League leader. A breakaway from the ANC, found in the PAC because the PAC yaphuma phi kwi-ANC, but it emerged as a radical leftist alternative. Ideology is radical leftist pan-Africanist. I was or am, and I'm not sure now, but I think last year was pan-Africanist. It was pan-Africanist and socialist, advocates economic emancipation via nationalization and wealth. I think there's a country that nationalized its money. I'm not sure if you know, drop down in the comment. I think we should make a video on nationalization. And with distribution. Key policies, key policies, land without compensation and nationalization of mine, banks and industries. So EFF nationalize mine, banks and industries, which is I agree. So ngabuyela ku-EFF. Free education, healthcare and housing for the poor. Free education, ufuna ubake education ibe mahala, ne-healthcare ibe mahala, ne-housing for the poor, because kaloku usulibala wena apha eMzantsi sasuka phi kuntoni, yabo, suka phaa apart, yabo. So ngoku bafuna ntoni? Free education, because ke ngoku the fact of the matter is poverty is still in South Africa, because not all people are rich, not all of us are rich, yabo. So free education, free healthcare. Umuntu xa ifuna mahala uzawufumana ntoni? Umsebenzi. Agxothe ikati eziko. So that's what EFF ilwelayo. Oh, I think I will return here. Anti-capitalist, criticizing white monopoly capital. I also don't like white monopoly. I heard, but I'm going to do research, I'm not sure. Beautiful ladies, that's what they mean. When sitting, that research, I'm going to report foreign policies, anti-imperialist, pro-Palestine, and critical of the Western influence. I'm also critical of the Western influence. I think I'm going to return EFF. I'm returning the EFF. So, critical of the Western influence. Know that Western influence ngakanani eMzantsi. Whenever I fully admit I'm making myself a fool, but to know the truth is the truth. West has a big influence of ours. Voters base, urban black youth, disfranchised workers and township residents, strong in Gauteng, Limpopo. Khengoku polls dropped 19% to 11% due to MK. 2024, nazi 2024 zasifundela yabo. So yeah, EFF, we see EFF turned back here. I think ndisho bavotela ntoni, but okay. Challenges accused of populist flip-flopping and ties to illicit networks, e.g. tobacco, competition with MK for radical voters, rise of marginalization opposition. Ungavotela ntoni Xhego linguzuma, fundini Xhego lizoma liphethe ANC nje, andazi lenze ntoni, kuthiwa imali andazi benze mncinci ngaphethe uZuma, mna bamensiva kuthiwa haha ngokaphi nomvotela, benjani abantu, banjani? Okay, maseke sifuna